Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the comic me filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Yeah, this is the filter. Tap on the screen to switch between male and female. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for comic me. Okay, on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. You can tap there to use this effect. Yep, likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, okay, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and open it with TikTok. You need to open it with TikTok. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen or tap on open app. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this comic me filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.